Ternyata dari celana jeans bekas. Bisa dimanfaatkan loh sob. Bisa jadi cover atau sarung korek seperti ini. Ini untuk menandai korek kalian supaya aman di tongkrongan. Membuat cover korek dari bahan jeans bekas. Bahan jeans bekas. Lakban. Lem super. Korek kosong atau tanpa gas untuk pembentukan. Lakban semua bagian korek, agar lem tidak menempel di korek.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
Dan potong bahan jeans.
Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Gulungkan di wadah korek. Siram lem super. Siram seluruh bagian. Setelah kering, keluarkan wadah korek. Rapihkan bentuk. Pembuatan bagian bawah. Tumpuk 3 potongan. Siram lem super. Setelah lem kering, ratakan kedua permukaan.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace?
Lubangi bagian bawah.
Yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
Haluskan bentuk.
How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Lubang di bagian bawah berfungsi untuk menusuk korek jika korek terasa susah dikeluarkan, dan juga untuk jalan air jika kehujanan. Cat bening.
Few moments later.
Setelah cat kering, gimana sob? Menurut kalian? Coba komen di bawah ya.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
Selesai.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you
Terima
take
kasih
'em.
telah
I try to
menonton
think
video
on
ini.
thought, have
Semoga
some
bisa
concentration.
menginspirasi,
If I make a
membantu,
mistake, it's
dan
called
bermanfaat.
education.
See
I
you
try to
next
do this
video.
every day.